mas malaking fish to fry? Don't you have other big fishes,
Hindi
big
mo ba
drug lords?
nababasa yung mga dyaryo? Siguro nakikita mo naman ginagawa ng PIDEA. For the past 2 months, we were able to confiscate worth 5 billion pesos. Don't you know that? So lahat ng
May
sektor
drug lord,
ginagawa
sir.
natin.
May drug lord na na-arrest.
Yes. We are now focusing on international drug syndicates. Hindi mo pwede kasing sabihin lang na ito lang ang tirahin namin. Lahat, pati kabataan, tinutulungan namin. In fact, nagkakanta kami ng Sakit Batang Solvent. Are you angry with me?
No. I'm asking a question.
Story.